Hello once again, RC enthusiast. It's been a long time since I've done one of these videos on RC. Today we are going to be exchanging the motor on a Sunfire Pro off-track buggy. When I mean off-track, I mean one that runs in hard terrain. Here we go. So we are going to be changing this 540 stock crap, and we are going to be adding this one. I don't know if you could see that right here. I know lighting is garbage. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is, I can't, hold on a second, I'm gonna, all right, I apologize for that. So we're gonna be taking screws here. We're gonna be taking the template off, this here off, and this one here off. So let's get started. Right. So okay, screw number one. I suggest you have a piece of tape, okay, and put these on a piece of tape. Masking tape would be best, so they don't go missing, and you know, and hassle of finding them. Que me ha dado tanto. All right, so wow. Okay, this one doesn't seem to be coming out. I don't want to strip it. Okay, most of them are off. I'm having a little difficulty with this one screw. You guys notice there's always that one. Always that one. Hold on a second. All right, success. No. All right. Seems like we're having it. Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay, and that's that. And those here. There. There. Here. Most importantly, remember what screw goes where. Because at times you'll end up putting smaller screws in the larger screw area and vice versa. Next thing you know, adding up, this happened to me a few times actually. And I ended up taking the whole thing apart again, all because of 1 or 2 screws. All right, so that's not great. Hang on 1 second again. All right, so try with my hands here. Here we go. Alright, this goes here. So, and voila. Now, something else holding this motor in? Probably so. Alright, so here we are. Take the heat sinker off. Does this fit here? Yes, it does. By the way, this is a Power Hobby brushed motor, 540, 13T. No. Let's see what happens. Okay, so apparently I gotta take this off. See this plate here? This plate right here. That's holding this down. So there's 3, 2. Well, there's 2. It's 2. Let's check it out. This came off. All right. Later on. There. Okay, oh. I don't want to strip screws. So why is this? I'm going to take that up. Where did this come out? Oh, that's right. Now is that an Allen? Crap. I don't have an Allen key for that. Be right back 1 minute. Alright, so, because I didn't have an Allen key to take this particular screw out, I had to take the tire out. Okay. And I had to use a vice grip in order to get it out. So, here's the screw. Alright, so that's that. Now, this is still not loose, so it's holding it in place. The phone. There's another one at the bottom. Yay! Oh my goodness. Goodness. Now, like, what the heck? Really? Frustrating. Oh. I think that's a good sign. All right. And she's out. And she is out of there. No, that screw. And here we are. Here's the screw. Ta-da! Now we gotta remove this and put it on this. Let's see here. Oh, I think we got a match. Where's all right. All right. Shoot, this isn't the right size. Hoping this one will fit. Nope. One moment, please. All right, so we got the motor off. Got the Allen key. Excuse me. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. All right. So. There we go. Now we're going to slap this pinion gear on here. Okay. Just like that. Torque it a bit. Okay. So now this. There we go. All right. So okay. So now this is going to go like this. All right. So where was that? Here's one. You know, it's pretty difficult to find stuff if you're not organized, or when you're working, try to be organized, because then, as I said, hard to find stuff. So this fits into here. Nope, this is not it. Next size up, I'm hoping. All right. Okay. And here, next size up. No, of course not. No, it's gonna have to do. See, yeah. This must be metric. That's too big and that's too small, so I guess I'm gonna have to improvise somehow. So that's nope. Let's see here for a second. Where was that? Here, let's try this here. And voila. But now, oh, actually, you know what? Here. Oh, crap. Where's that? Actually, let me try this one. Use a screwdriver, see if this flathead, this might work. Yeah, this needs to go Like it's grabbing, but I want to make sure that this is. Let's see. See? No, it needs to be in more. Definitely needs to be in more. Can you guys hear that? Okay, so needs to be in more. So let me just pause the video. Okay, so I readjusted the setting with the spur gear and the pinion gear. So yeah. Okay, so now that that's all said and done, I'll put the other one on. Hold on 1 second. All right, now we put stuff back together. Sorry about this. All right, so screw. You don't want to over tighten them. Make sure they fall into place, and when it's snug, you know you got everything down and packed, then you tighten it. What you want to do is when you're putting stuff back together, make sure there's a little foreplay in case you need to readjust. Okay. So this goes in there like that. All right. Business, moolah. All right. No. Tight, firm. Shoot. I messed up. See what I mean? Ah, garbage. Screw everything. All right, I'm gonna pause the video. Once it's all done, I'll show you. All right, putting tire back on. And that's pretty much it, folks. And that is how you change a tire. I mean, sorry, a motor. on a sunfire buggy. All right, folks. As I said, it's been quite a long time since I did one of these videos. Hopefully I'll be doing one soon in the near future. And if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you feel like it. All right? Thanks, mate. Have a good one.